their electric motor cannot use long time because the better motor. Our motors can use more than 5 to 10 years. It's no problem. Yeah, it is very stable. Peanut plant. No peanut now.
No.
Yeah, no peanut now.
Okay, you understand.
Yeah.
Then you tell me. Okay, you have to go that net. Show me again.
Show me what?
That net again. Net again.
Go on net.
没有手机。
You open and see.
把两个机器组合到一块儿嘛，那得先组装。
那组装线组装吗？
啊，得先组装。
No.
嗯。
No, this is first.
This is
This
first.
is first.
Yeah.
Most.
But those are not feel.
Okay, no
but
worry.
All are must feel.
Let's listen to our engineer how to say.
Sure. We need every seed must be out from the field.
张总，你跟他说。
Otherwise you
No,
are
no,
lost.
no, listen.
Okay.
You just think. Okay, first we put our machine. After that, after feeling, we got some. I say you as a example. Okay. And I go to my warehouse and I put my machine. After feeling, as a result,
Small one.
කිලෝ 10න් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපිට
Nearly කොච්චර කිලෝද?
කිලෝ 10න්
Out of 1,000 kilos.
out of 1000 kilo, maybe we have to waste 2000 kg.